The property sector is one of the largest asset classes in South Africa, valued at over 5.8 trillion rand. The market capitalization of the JSE is 6.6 trillion rand. There are over 285,000 property transactions annually in South Africa. The property industry contributes 59 billion rand to GDP. Despite the size of the sector, property transaction processes have lagged behind in modernization, leaving the systems less efficient and more vulnerable to market disruption and security threats. This is not up to the expectations of customers, who demand responsive, secure services and money that moves immediately. Willie Stoneman, CEO of PEXSA, explains.
Existing payment systems just do not support the current payment and settlement process in the conveyancing industry. We are faced with various challenges, and just to mention a few of them is the fact that we don't have the ability to do pre-verification of beneficiary account details. The enormous human resources required to process the payments and settlements and the transfer of a title puts immense pressure on the attorney and the paralegal. What complicates this even further is the fact that the attorney must use multiple banking platforms to log in to effect these beneficiary payments. As a result, the current payment systems and processes are vulnerable to money laundering, human error, and potential fraudulent transactions. In response, we have established the Payment Exchange of South Africa and developed the PEXSA payment system to address these issues. PEXSA is a web-based property payment and settlement system designed to enable greater efficiency, transparency, and accountability through the payment and settlement process. It aims to mitigate security threats and ensure peace of mind to the end consumer.
PEXSA will improve the attorney's ability to disperse funds to beneficiaries in a seamless manner from a single point of entry, instead of logging on to several various banking platforms to perform the beneficiary payments. The PEXSA workflow system ensures that all financial amounts relating to a property matter balance to a zero sum, that all beneficiary account verifications are done, and all payment authorizations are recorded before the payment process is activated. PEXSA's pioneering platform facilitates a safer, faster, and more efficient payment process, bringing transparency to transactions relating to the sale of property in South Africa.
In developing the PEXSA system, we collaborated with many regulators and market participants. It took us quite a few years to develop this application, but it's been heralded by the property sector as a world-leading platform with huge benefits to the conveyancing industry, the buyer, the seller, as well as the real estate agent.
PEXSA offers a single point of entry, safe and secure distributed control levels with strong activity monitoring, a same-day payment option when a property registers on dots, account number and holder verification, AVS, mitigated property payment and settlement risk, oversight and control, an enhanced audit trail for all transactions, improved reconciliation features.
PEXSA is here to prevent gaps in the payment and settlement process, improve transparency, create certainty in the payments process, prevent fraud, and build consumer trust. PEXSA is your trusted partner in the payment and settlement process.